Welcome back, guys. We had an awesome week. Crazy week too. We ended up buying two cars. Well, buying one, and I traded one of my cars for this truck. I got it for, hauling things around. We went and got some rims too, so it's awesome to have a truck for that. But we got this car, and this came off the auction. We got it for super cheap, $280 with all the taxes and fees. 1999 Infiniti G20. Dashes off. It has 190,000 miles, but it was ditch dived. So this whole front end was full of mud. We already cleaned it up and cleaned it out. The car would not want to start because the alarm was going off. There was an issue with our anti-theft system. It got smashed, so we replaced the anti-theft relay, and that fixed it after we reprogrammed the original key fob. But this whole thing was packed with mud. You can tell the AC condenser is still bent. We were able to pull the AC condenser out. Good thing the radiator's not damaged too much. Fans weren't working. That's also because of the relays, and our AC wasn't working. But AC wasn't working because this temp sensor, the ambient temp sensor, was actually ripped off. So we found one at Pick and Pull and just soldered it together. We've already added some additions to it. We put an LED bar on it because why not? We also have a special doot back there. Makes a loud doot. I had from the Maxima, I got this subset with the amplifier, so we decided to install it in here. And this is for our train horn. This is so loud. So we have a switch running. This powers the train horn. This actually turns it on. You got the key?
Yeah, but you can turn it on. You don't need a key.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it doesn't. It goes off of it. When your car can start and you can pull the key out, that's mint. So this is the train horn. It turns on the train horn pump, and then once that pumps up, you either have a regular horn or you turn that switch on and it activates the actual train horn. I don't want to do it right now because it's a little too loud. And then we have the light bar going off of our high beams. Yeah, we went to Pick and Pull today and we got ourselves, these have steelies, so we got ourselves a whole set of rims. We need to get the special lug nuts that go here because it requires the thin ones and we have just the plain ones. But $100 for this kind of upgrade? Definitely. And it's rolling away. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. We're going to be posting videos on this car. We'll be posting videos on the truck. And we'll make sure to post videos of the Maxima. If these kind of things interest you, make sure you're subscribed. If not, hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. Stay awesome.